Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, in our last accountancy class, we all saw what is purchase book and what is purchase written. Today, inshallah, we will see what is sales book. Okay, the sales book is also called as sales journal. So all credit sales are recorded in sales journal, and all the cash sales are recorded in cash book. The format of cash journal is similar to that of the format of sales journal or sales book is similar to that of purchase book, which I have explained in my last class. Okay, and the source document for recording entries in sales book or sales journal are sales invoice or bills issued by the firm to the customer. Okay, the date of sales, then the invoice number, name of the customer, and amount of invoice are recorded in sales journal. And other details about the sales transaction, including terms of payment, are available in the invoice. So, two or more copies of a sales invoice are prepared for each sales. Okay, two or more copies of sales invoice are prepared for each sales. The bookkeeper makes entries in the sales journal from one copy of the sales invoice. The format of a sales journal is given in the textbook, page number 130. Okay, this is the format. Okay, you can see the first column is date, second is invoice number, then name of the customer, account to be debited, and LF, that is ledger folio, and amount in rupees. Okay, so in this sales journal, one additional column may be added to record sales tax, okay, that is recovered from the customer and that has to be paid to the government within the stipulated date. And periodically at the end of each month, the amount column is total led and posted to the credit of sales account in the ledger. Now the posting to the debit side of individual customers account may be made daily. Okay, so I hope you all understood the format here. Now they have given you one example in the textbook. We will just see and we will see how it is posted in the sales book. Okay, see, for example, MS Koina suppliers sold on credit 2 water purifier at rupees 2,100 each and 5 buckets at rupees 130 each to MS Raman traders. Invoice number 178, date April 6, 2017. Okay, now see the format. In the format, first you have date, then invoice number, the name of the customer, then the amount. Correct. So now first transaction is 2 water purifier at rupees 2,100 each. Okay, and 5 buckets at rupees 130 each to MS Ram traders. Okay, now what is the date? Date is April 2nd. So April 6th. So 2017, on the top right 2017, and then April 6th. See the invoice number. How much is the invoice number? It is 178. So write in invoice number 178, and to whom it is sold to the MS Ram traders. Correct. So the name of the customer is MS Ram traders. So write the name of the customer in the name of the customer column, and then the amount. Okay, so 2,100 into 2 and 130 into 5. So when you do that, total you get 4,850. That has to be entered on the amount column. Okay, see the second transaction. 5 roadside counters at rupees 4,200 each to MS Nutan Enterprise. Okay, and the invoice number is 180. Date is April 9, 2017. So write the date first, April 9. Then the invoice number is 180. Then what is the name of the customer? It is Nutan Enterprise. Okay, so it has to be entered here under Nutan customers. Nutan Enterprise. Okay, and the amount. Okay, so 5 into 4,200. So when you do that, you get 21,000. Can you all see that? Yeah, it is 21,000. Okay, we will see the next transaction. 100 big buckets at rupees 850 each to MS Raman Traders. Invoices 209 and date is April 28, 2017. Okay, so 100 buckets. So 100 into 850. So when you do that, you get 85,000. So that is the amount. And what is the date? Date is 2008 is date is April 28. So April 28, and the invoice number is 209 and the customer's name is Raman Traders, 85,000. Then you have to total it. So when you total the amount column, you get 1,10,850. So this is how it is entered in the sales book. Okay, now we will see how is the posting from the sales journal are done to the debit of customer's account. Okay, and how is it debited to the customer's account? Okay, in the ledger. So like the purchase journal, individual customer account are generally posted daily, okay, with the amount invoice. So the sales journal is also totally, or it is totaled periodically. Usually it is done in monthly wise, and this total is credited to sales account in the ledger. The sales journal book, which is shown here, okay, in our example illustration which I have shown you, this example, okay, will be posted in ledger account, okay, in the following manner. Just see how is it posted. So who are the customers here? Ram Traders, Nutan Enterprise and Ram Traders, okay. And the three ledger which you supposed to prepare is Ram Traders, the Nutan Enterprise and sales book, correct? Okay, so what's the journal entry when you, okay, Ram Traders account, Nutan Enterprise account and sales book, correct? Okay, so what is the journal entry when you sell? Okay, so when you sell, the journal entry is, when you sell for credit, the journal entry is the party's account debited to sales account, correct? So here Raman Traders account debited to sales account. So Raman Traders account is debited. So on the debit side you have to write sales account, correct? So just see this. See the first transaction here, or you can see here directly. 2 water purifier at rupees 2,100 each and 5 bucket at rupees 130 each to MS Raman Traders. So Raman Traders account debited to sales account. So in your Raman Traders account, since Raman Traders account is debited, on the debit side you have to write sales account, and the date is April 6 and the amount is 4,850, correct? And next transaction, it is Nutan Enterprise. So the journal entry is Nutan Enterprise account debited to sales account. So in your Nutan Enterprise ledger, okay, in Nutan Enterprise ledger, Nutan account is debited. So on the debit side you have to write sales, and the date is 2017, 21,000. Okay. Next is, you have one more transaction, okay. It is also Raman Traders, correct? 100 big basket at rupees 850 each to MS Raman Traders. So Raman Traders account debited to sales account. So again it comes here, Raman Traders account is debited. So on the debit side you have to write sales, 85,000, correct? And then sales account. So total all the sales together, and in sales account on the credit side you can write it as, yes, since your sales account is credited, on the credit side of sales account you can just write sundries as per sales book, okay. You don't have to write all the name of the customer. You can just write sundries as per the sales book and write the total amount, okay. Okay, this is how the sales journal, or this is how the posting is made to the ledger book from the sales journal, okay. I hope this much is clear, students. Jazakallahu khairan. If you have any doubt, you do ask me, okay. And in our next class we will see how to do the sales written book, inshallah.